we discuss the what is method. In Java, method are where we defined business logic and application. They define in the interaction among the data enclosed in object. What is system out print ln? Is it is a method? It is a method, a collection of statements that perform a sequence of options, display a message on the console. It can be used even without fully understanding the details of how its work. It is used invoke a statement with a string arguments type depending on whether our method is defined by the user available in standard library. There are two types of method: standard library methods and user defined method. Main method. The main method provide the control program flow. The Java interrupt execute the application by invoking the main method. The main method to be like public static void main string statements.